Hi, my name is Geetika and today I am going to show you how to make drumstick leaves fry. Now let me show you the ingredients. The ingredients are drumstick leaves, salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, roasted gram dal, dry coconut, oil, tadka ingredients which are curry leaves, mustard seeds, methi seeds, cumin seeds and chana dal. Then garlic, 1 chili and onions. Now let's begin with making the fry. First I'm going to add the oil. Then I'm going to add the tadka ingredients. Next, I'm going to add the chili and the garlic. Then I'm going to add the onions. While it's frying, I'm going to take the dry coconut, cumin seeds, roasted gram dal and put it into a blender. First, I'm going to add the dry coconut and blend it. Then I'm going to add the cumin seeds and the roasted gram dal into the blender. After the fry, I'm going to add the salt, chili powder and turmeric powder. Then I'm going to add the drumstick leaves. Cook it in low flame and cover it with a lid. It has been a few minutes and now I'm going to open the lid. It's fried. Now I'm going to add the powder that we made earlier. I'm going to close it with a lid and wait for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to open the lid. It's ready and smells so delicious. Now I'm going to serve it. The drumstick fry is ready and this has a lot of health benefits. If you want to know the health benefits, it is given in the description box. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends and family. Bye!